Hey guys, we're gonna be playing part two of so part two. What is on the ready to play? Mira lo I'm back. Ready? I have a here. Out. Now let's just do a deck where to put whatever you want, okay? So I'm only gonna use sucky cards. I don't know. Oh, don't you? Oh, I know. Don't use splash troops or spells. It's the ones where like you put them and like you know like if there's like 3 goblins, a splash troop where like if he hits, it kills like the 3 of them, like the wizard or the witch. But like the mini pick is not a splash troop. Only those, okay? Okay? I'm doing it right now. Let's battle. Jesus, I'm gonna write something. Oh god, no. I didn't mean to do that. Oh my god, and the mirror looks so weird. The goblin barrel. Damn, this is too easy. Look, I'm not even gonna touch it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, look how much life I have. The boss. You just wasted that. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Look how many goblins. Don't move me. I ruined it. I messed up. Wait, that's a splash troop. You cheater. The witch is a splash troop. That's what I said. Splash. Are you kidding me, mate? You're done for. Oh, you're gonna kill me. Oh, you're almost dead though. Yeah, so this thing ready. Get ready. Oh, I know what to do. I'm just gonna go down and then I'm gonna click a random card and then whichever I click, I'm gonna use it, okay? I click the musket. Yeah. Then I wait too early. Oh, bruh. I choose this one. Oh, like a boss. I choose. Am I even there? Oh my god, I'm not even there. Duh. Okay. I'm just gonna go like quick. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, there. I'm done. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, this is a random deck, okay? I didn't even look. Gotta kill that giant. No. Hey, get ranked. Hey. Hmm. You dumb. No, 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 no. You're gonna get wrecked, 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 wrecked. That the mirror, oh, the motor, the giant skeleton. Mm. Do you have the wizard? I'm gonna choose a random deck again. Bruh. Fuck. Do 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 do. I'm not just going down and clicking. I actually didn't click it. I'm This is a random deck, okay? Well, I guess it's gonna be a race. Mine beats yours. Oh no, it's called skill. That's something you don't have. Oh, the burn. Oh, look at that musketeer though. Look at that musketeer though. Look at all those chickens. Oh. That's saved though. Yeah, yeah. Lightning spell? Zap? Yeah, I have zap. What? Oh yeah, yeah. I have duck burner. Yeah. Wait. Musketeer, Tesla, where's the Tesla? Tesla. What? I don't have any more space. Oh yeah, you didn't say prince, right? So we have to use the little skeletons? Any kind? Any kind of skeleton? Okay. There. I'm done. I'm waiting for you. Hurry up and battle. Just send me a message or something. Whatever. What it, bruh? What it, bruh, 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 bruh. Ah, mine's level 2. You're gonna get wrecked because you wasted. Wait, Mande? Huh? I'm gonna have to pause the video, guys. Sorry. Dude, what? My game is lagging. Dude, I can't place nothing down. What the frick? I can't place nothing down. Dude, I can't do nothing. They're fixed. No. Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. No. Ni, 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 ni. Dude, are you still there? Dude. Nope. Keep on blocking. Just keep on blocking. Come on, I got the rocket. Keep on blocking. Keep on blocking. Keep on. A little cousin is watching me and she's like, what the fuck? Uh, uh, uh. I don't know why this is so funny. Oh, oh yes. Oh, yes. Come on. We're literally there. No. 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 That was the most intense battle ever. Rematch? Let's do rematch. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, same cards. Let's go. Hurry up! Really? Come on. Come on. Oh my god, just hurry up and battle. Up, up, up. Your mouth. Oh god. I just fling. No! I mean to do that. Yes, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yes, or because I'm a beast. I'm a beast. That's how. Dude, in the TV, in the TV, they're saying the music like. Dun, 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 dun. Intense battle's about to go on. I don't care about my lips. You must learn my little fella. Get wrecked. No. Do it. Just do it. Not impossible. Just do it. Zap that. Fuck. No matter. Yeah, you think you're all smart, huh? I don't think so. What? How do you know how diarrhea sounds like, huh? You hear that? I'm trying to make the sound again. Wait. That sounds like a dying toad. What are you talking about? Nope. I'm so. Stop. Mm, boy. Yes, my time is now. It's a battle versus Kobe. Get wrecked. 360 no scope. You're never gonna touch me. Touch me. Get wrecked. Scope. Huh? Huh? Mama's win victorious. I can show you these nuts. Oh, she. I just messed up. Like, literally, can you just stop? Oh, hi, hi. I can show you your mom. Yeah, my video is turning to 24 minutes long. I'm just gonna protect, 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 protection. There. Well, it was I. I'm in my video here. I'm gonna hang up, okay? So guys, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time.